Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 4. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have discussed how to solve estimation word problems. In this video we will learn how to estimate the money. Today our topic is estimation of money. For rounding of the money we follow the same rules as we do for rounding of the whole numbers. For rounding off to the nearest 10, what was the rule? We check the digit in units place. For example, here we have amount rupees 11,077. If we want to round off this number to the nearest 10, we will consider the digit in units place. In units place there is 7. Now we will compare it with 5. 7 is greater than 5. 7 is greater than 5. Now what will we do now? We will round the digit up. That is in the tens place. 7 will become 8 and the digit on the right hand side will become 0. It means 11,077 rupees will become 11,080 rupees. For rounding off to the nearest 100, what is the rule? We check the digit that is in the tens place. We check the digit in tens place. If we have the amount 11,077, 11,077, we check the digit in tens place. The digit in tens place is 7. The digit in tens place is 7. Now we will compare this 7 with 5 and 7 is greater than 5. It means we will round the next digit that is in the hundreds place up. 0 will become 1 and the digit on the right hand side will become 0. 11,077 will become 11,100 rupees if we round off this amount to the nearest 100. For rounding off to the nearest 1000, what is the rule? Can you tell me? If we want to round off a number to the nearest 1000, which digit we consider? We consider the digit in hundreds place. We have to follow the same rules if we want to round off the money. For example, we have the amount 11,077 rupees. We want to round off this number to the nearest 1000. We will consider the digit in hundreds place. And the digit in hundreds place is 0. The digit in hundreds place is 0. Now we will compare it with 5 and 0 is less than 5. We will not change the digit that is in the thousands place and all the digit on the right hand side will become 0. It means 11,077 rupees will become 11,000 if we round off this amount to the nearest 1000. 5,099. We have to round off this number to the nearest 100. What will be the amount? Yes students, think about it and tell me the answer. Round off this amount to the nearest 100. We will check the digit in tens place. And the digit in tens place is 9. The digit in tens place is 9. Now we will compare it with 5 and 9 is greater than 5. It means the digit in hundreds place will round up and all the digit on the right hand side will become 0. Rupees 5,099 will become rupees 5,100 if we round off this amount to the nearest 100. Rupees 68,765. We have to round off 68,765 to the nearest thousand. What is the rule if we want to round off to the nearest thousand? We consider the digit in hundreds place. We consider the digit in hundreds place. The digit in hundreds place is 7. Now we will compare it with 5. And 7 is greater than 5. Now we will round up the digit that is in the thousand place. 68 will become 69 and all the digits that are on the right hand side will become 0. 68,765 rupees will become 69,000 if we round off this amount to the nearest thousand. Rupees 35,012. We will round off this amount to the nearest 10. If we want to round off this number or amount to the nearest 10, we will check the digit in units place. The digit in units place is 2. Now we will compare this 2 with 5. And 2 is less than 5. 2 is less than 5. Now we will not change the number that is in the tens place. And the digit on the right hand side will become 0. 35,012 rupees will become 35,010 rupees if we round off this amount to the nearest 10. In this video we have discussed how to round off the money. In the next video we will learn arrangement of money in ascending and descending order. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.